So Cosine is all about giant 3D printing. You may see 3D printing and think tiny little toys that come off of desktop machines. We are very different than that. We are a giant industrial grade 3D printer unit. So Cosine, what differentiates our machine from everything else in the market is that we are 10 times the build volume, we're 10 times the deposition rate, and we're 10 to 20 times cheaper to operate than the current industrial solutions. 2.5 years ago, when I started this company, there was a giant push in the market to put a machine on everyone's desk and to make them as small and cheap as possible. We wanted to go very perpendicularly to that. We saw the future of this technology as being an industrial process. And so we built this machine. We decided to fuse the best of the open source technology, that's the open source materials and the open source software, with rugged underlying hardware. And so this is what we've created. You can see the scale of the machine. It's a 6-foot, 2,000-pound machine, and it puts out parts of a cubic yard in size. So I'm going to show you an actual part, a real part from a real customer, because we're all about revenue-driven applications, not toys. So this is a part that we made for the aviation industry, and as you can see, it's about 30 inches in size. And so this part is actually used to form real flight-grade hardware. Aluminum sheet is hydraulically pressed over this form that we printed. And so typically these forms would take 3 weeks and $5,000 to machine out of a metal. We were able to print this form for a customer in 48 hours for a cost of about $100. And so these are the real-life applications that our technology is being used in. So 3D printing is not the thing. 3D printing is the thing to get you to the thing. It's not a magic bullet solution, but put in the right application, 3D printing is phenomenal against traditional forms of manufacturing. So our business model is very simple. We sell machines and we sell contract print services. Our average machine sale price is about $150,000. We've got very healthy gross margins. So what we want to do is to scale up and to really meet the market demand. We've validated our market. We've sold 11 machines this year in our first year of sales. 11 machines. We've raised financing this December. We've bootstrapped our way all the way to our first customer and closed our first round in December. So what we're here to do is to find the right industrial partner to lead around in later 2017. So we'd appreciate it if you'd come by and talk to us and see if it's a good fit. Thank you very much.